Hello guys, this is the lecture 2 of the Python tutorial for beginners series. Myself Dr. Bora, and this lecture deals with the installation process of the Python. Okay, for that we'll choose Anaconda. Then what is Anaconda? You see this logo is symbolizing the Anaconda. Anaconda is a package set of programs including the Python language and huge number of libraries and several other tools. Okay, then this includes Spyder development environment and Jupyter notebooks. Okay, and we will choose Spyder among them. Well, what is Spyder? Spyder stands for Scientific Python Development Environment. This is a development environment where we can code your Python programs. Okay, so there are some pros why we have selected Spyder. Pros are because it is faster development, increase efficiency, helps organize the codes, easier debugging. Okay, these are the pros of Spyder. And one con, I have seen that sometimes it may add complexity even to smaller problems. Okay, so you see the comparatively pros are many than cons, so we have selected Spyder. Now, how to install Anaconda? Go to your Google search, type Anaconda download for Windows. If you have Linux, it's not a problem. Okay, then you will see this site, these links are coming. Okay, now among them, choose the first one. Okay, when you choose, this link will appear, click it, then this page will open. Okay, this is a very beautiful green page. Now go to the bottom, you'll find this Anaconda Python 3.7 version, Python 2.7 version. Okay, then you may confuse which one you need to download. This is an older version and is going to expire soon, so we are not going to select this one. We are going to select this Python 3.7 version. So download it, click the download. Okay, this is the file around 517 MB. Now when it will be downloaded, you get that folder, and just as like the other software installation process, you double click it and just click next and accept the license agreement, and it will be installed. Okay, it may take around 5 to 10 minutes of time depending on your system's configuration. When it will be installed, go to your Windows programs and you will find Anaconda appearing like this. Okay, Anaconda 3. Click it, then you'll see this one. Okay, this logo, Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda T. Now click here, then after a few seconds, this Anaconda Navigator will be open, and here you will see that, as I have said, that it consists of different tools, so different IDs. So you'll find Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Spyder, Glavis, Orange Tree, RStudio, VS Code. All are importance IDs. Okay, so among them we'll select this one, Spyder. Okay, go to Launch and click Launch. After few seconds, then Spyder will be opened, and you will see this ID of Spyder. Okay, so this is the console version. Okay, connecting directly to the kernel, and I know you know that what is console. Through console you can put your instructions, and that will be directly dealt with the kernel. You see, you can type your codes here. And suppose you want to save your file, Python file, after writing your code here, then go to save option. Then you need to select the save as Python files, and that stands for .py extension. Okay, and this will come when you go to this symbol, click there, you will get new file, and this will appear. Okay, we'll deal with this, how to write your first Python program, in the next class. And today we have just completed how to install Python. Okay, so we have seen, we have selected Anaconda for this, and from Anaconda we have selected Spyder, and when we launch it, and then this IDE will appear. Well guys, I hope you have understood that how to install Python. Okay, and then we'll meet you in the next class about how to write, run and execute your first Python program. Well then, take care. Till then, bye bye.